This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, charge the watch, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and open the Firebolt app. Once done, sign in or create an account because pairing and QR validation need your profile. Make sure to grant location and storage permissions. Without them, the app can't detect devices or show the QR scanner. Now, from the app home screen, tap the Device Add or QR Scan option. This begins the secure link process between phone and watch. You next generate the QR code on the watch and scan it with the phone. On the watch, navigate to Settings, then Connect and show the QR. This encodes pairing data. Back in the app, tap Scan QR and allow camera access if needed. Once the viewfinder sees the code, keep both devices steady. The app will decode credentials and begin authentication. If the app asks, confirm the device name and accept permissions so syncing and notifications are enabled automatically. You finish by confirming pairing and letting the initial sync complete. This transfers health data and watch faces. Make sure to enable notifications, contacts, and call permissions in the app so alerts appear on the watch. If pairing fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart Bluetooth on your phone, reboot the watch, then reopen the app and rescan the QR code. If that still fails, remove any previous device entries in the app before repeating. This clears stale certificates and fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.